Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. It is Christmas. Well, not entirely Christmas, it's just December, but close enough, right? So for today's video, we're gonna be recreating this look. I'm doing a series on my TikTok where I'm doing 25 days of Christmas looks, and this is going to be one of them. I thought it was so pretty when I was looking up inspo on Pinterest that I just had to recreate this, and I figured I would give a tutorial on YouTube. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. By the way, if you're not following me on TikTok, make sure to go follow me on TikTok so you don't miss any of the Christmas fun that's going on. But yeah, let's get into this video. Did my brows off camera. We are all primed and ready to go. I'm going to start with the red first, and I'm going to go into the 39L Hit the Lights palette by Morphe, and I'm just going to be using these top 4 colors, all these reds right here. Okay, I'm going to go into Daring. It is that first red shade. It's a nice vibrant red. I'm going to take a small little flippy brush like this. I'm going to focus this color just right here in the inner corner. And don't worry about getting messy because we're just going to clean it up afterwards, so it's totally fine. And then I'm going to go into My Type. It's that brown shade in that first row. And I'm just going to put this more in the outer corner. Kind of like that. I'm just going to blend those colors together right here. Just kind of drag this out. And then I'm going to go into Serve Looks with that same brush, tipping off a little bit of the excess and then going in just the inner corner. We're going to deepen this up just a little bit. So I'm going to take a much smaller brush and I'm going to go into For Real. Tap off some of the excess because it is a dark color. And I'm going to just do this in the lower part of the crease just to kind of deepen it up and give it a little bit of dimension. And again, I'm just staying right in the front of the eye. And then I'm going to take this a little bit bigger, fluffier brush and kind of just blend it like that. And then don't worry about it being too messy because we are just going to cut it out later with some, oh, well, that's actually the next step. So let me just do this eye real quick. Take some concealer and kind of cut my crease. What I'm gonna do is just take it from the inner corner. Just going to kind of drag and shape out where I want to cut the crease. And now the hard part is replicating it to the other side to make sure that they're even. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I got them as even as I could. I'm just gonna take a little like flat brush like this and I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette and I'm gonna dip into Flashback, that white shade. I get a good bit of that on my brush and I'm just going to pack this on where I put that concealer. And then I'm going to add a little bit of a white shimmer to it. So I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. I love this white shimmer, so I'm going to use that. I'm just going to run that on the lid. Just add a little bit of shimmer to it. It is so pretty. Sticking to the James Charles palette, I'm going to go into this little angled brush right here. Go into Social Blade, that neon green. And I'm just going to start carving out a wing. I kind of have it mapped out. I'm going to take a small brush, a really small brush. I'm going to go across that line and blend it out some. I might even take a little bit of the green, tap off some of the excess, and then blend with it. And I'm going to take a Daddy, that is the next shade, the really dark green, and I'm just going to layer that kind of on top of where we had this, but just a little bit lower. And I'm going to take that small brush and blend it. I'm gonna just add a little bit more where I feel like I need it and just keep blending until I have it how I want it. Now I'm going to Spooky, that black shade. I'm gonna use just a little bit of this so I can kind of deepen it up and I'm gonna blend that in. I'm gonna take some concealer and just clean up these edges real quick. Just some glitter on the green, so I'm gonna do that too because I can't resist glitter. I got this little pack of glitters on Amazon for like 10 bucks. It was on sale. I'll go with this one. I'm just going to put down a little bit of eyelash glue. Just kind of like right there on top. I'm just going to kind of pack it on top of that glue. Now I'm gonna take this white lipstick. It's the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. I use this for like white eyeliner because I've read like liquid white eyeliners dry out so fast. I was like, no. So I got this, and these are eye safe, so perfectly fine to use on your eyes. One thing I love about these, take just a little brush like this, and I'm gonna just put some of this white on my brush, and then I'm just gonna line from the inner corner to about maybe halfway. Kind of easy to know where because there's already kind of like a guide. That's about what we have so far. I'm gonna go off camera real quick, do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back for the lower lash line. My face is complete for the most part. We're going to do the lower lash line now. I'm gonna take a small little like brush like this. I'm gonna go into Social Blade in the James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna take this green. I'm gonna run it through the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take that dark green next to it, and I'm just going to run that a little bit closer to the line. Back with that lighter green and just kind of blending and smudging it out. And then I'm gonna take a much smaller brush, and I'm gonna go into the black, taking a little bit and like tapping off the excess, and then really tight lining with this one. Take that white lipstick again and a little small brush like this, and I'm gonna carefully line my waterline with this. I'm gonna go into that white shade out of the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner so it brightens it. Wow. So it brightens it up. This is why I love that shade. It is so beautiful. And then I'm gonna take some in the brow bone as well. Maybe a little on the nose. I'm gonna go put on some lashes and some red lipstick, and then we'll be back. So this is the final look. So pretty and Christmassy. I absolutely love it. I think it turned out so pretty. A little bit of glam. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have a Christmas party to go to and you want to get a little bit glam, I hope this tutorial helped. If you decide to, you know, wear this look, it is so pretty. I love a good Christmas glam and like Christmas in general. Before you leave, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you know every anytime I post a new video. Also be sure to like and comment down below what you'd like to see next, and also be sure to follow me on my socials to get more content behind the scenes things. And yeah, bye. Some good stuff right there. Clean this. You know what? I need a New Year's resolution, and that is to start cleaning my brushes more often. Probably not gonna happen, but it's a start, right? I need a mirror and a sip of coffee. This is about dropped it. I might actually, instead of putting it on my eye, I'm gonna take a brush. Who came in here? Hi, Leo. And I'm just gonna go across that. Oh, if I can focus. This is turning out so cute. I'm so excited. Still filming. Quiet. Really? You're quiet? Yeah. And then I'm gonna take this little brush. This is what I use for my, oh, I just got my eyelids stuck together. Okay, glitter's on. Is that cute? I don't know. Got distracted watching a movie. I'm gonna go put on some lashes, and I think I'm blurry. Loving the little sparkle on the liner. I won't say liner, that's not the right word. Slaying. Literally.